In the parliamentary panel on 2G, it appears, may not call Mr. Chidambaram or A. Raja. According to the chairman of the Joint Parliamentary Committee, if we call ministers, they would have to call NDA ministers as well. The opposition is likely to protest to this.
The JPC is now coming to its final conclusion, if I may be permitted to say, at least at the last stages. You are now going back to Mr. Chakko to the list of how many people should be summoned. You have finished with telecom secretaries. Is it possible that people like Mr. A. Raja, Mr. P. Chidambaram, or for that matter other NDA ministers can be summoned, because otherwise you won't be able to finish your findings of the committee?
Yeah, your opinion is correct that we are almost entering the final phase of our committee. We got the last extension up to December. So December means another 6 months. We want to finish our work of examining the witnesses and other things in 3 months' time. Then to make the draft, and we need minimum 3 months' time for the discussion of the draft and finalization. So by the third week of December, when this winter session will be over, we'll be submitting the report. That way we are entering the final phase of it. Because we have examined almost all the important witnesses, like the former Secretary of the Telecom, former Chairman of the TRAI, C&AG, CBI, Law Ministry, Finance Ministry, all these important people came before the committee. That way we have enough information to draft our report. And if the committee finds it necessary to call some more people, we will discuss that. On the 12th of this month, we have a meeting. That is our internal discussion. We will be finalizing our list of witnesses. A long list of witnesses are before us, because these are all the names suggested by the honorable members of the committee. But they themselves may not be feeling that it is necessary to call many of the names which they have suggested. So whether it is necessary, we call people before the committee when we want to hear from them directly to come to a conclusion. And also when we have the files in which decisions are taken, when it is available to us, it may not be necessary to call people who took decisions if the files are available with us. But we are with an open mind, and many of the senior members were not available today. So on the 12th of this month, we will finally come to a conclusion. And our approach is to minimize the number of people to come before, because then only we
So when you say minimize, will people like Mr. A. Raja and Mr. P. Chidambaram be called?
No, we are with an open mind. I don't know whether it is necessary to call X or Y, which I cannot say, because whoever we are calling is a collective decision of the committee. So personally, I have no opinion about calling X or Y. So we will place this entire long list before the committee, and in our internal discussion we will decide whether it is necessary to call ministers or former ministers. These are all basically an issue we have to decide before we go to the names.
So here you have it clearly, whether ministers or other people will be called is a question that the JPC will have to take. But nevertheless, the decision is to minimize and to get back to finalizing a possible draft which will be acceptable to most members of the committee.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.